Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Acrobat DC contains many useful help features. You can click the Help command in the menu bar to view the help features within the drop-down menu that appears. Selecting the Online Support command within the drop-down menu will launch the Acrobat Support website in your default browser window. You can use the search field at the top of the website to search for the terms or topics for which you need help. You can also scroll through the page to view a listing of help topics grouped by category, which you can explore. Selecting the Welcome command within the Help drop-down menu launches an informational dialog box that lets you click through a number of screens that display Acrobat's features. Selecting the Learn Adobe Acrobat Pro DC command within the Help drop-down menu launches Adobe's Acrobat DC Tutorials webpage in your computer's default browser. You can use the search field at the top of the website to search for the terms or topics for which you need help. You can also scroll through the page to view a listing of help page topics grouped by category, which you can explore. Selecting the About Adobe Acrobat Pro DC command within the Help drop-down menu displays copyright and development information related to the Acrobat software. You can click the title bar of this information window to close it. Selecting the About Adobe Plugins command within the Help drop-down menu launches a dialog box with a list of Acrobat plugins. Clicking the name of a plugin at the left side of the dialog box displays information about that plugin at the right side of the dialog box. The description area of the dialog box describes the function of the selected plugin. Selecting the Manage My Account command within the Help drop-down menu launches the Adobe website in your computer's default browser. After verifying your identity and signing into the website, you can manage your Adobe account settings. You can also sign out of your account by clicking the Sign Out command within the Help drop-down menu. Selecting the Generate System Report command in the Help drop-down menu displays the System Information dialog box. The top half of the dialog box displays system parameters, like the current username and usage data. The bottom half of the System Information dialog box displays information about currently installed Acrobat plugins. The Repair Installation command within the Help drop-down menu is a troubleshooting safeguard that lets you repair damaged files within the software. This feature can be helpful if a security update creates a conflict with your default web browser or computer system. Selecting the Check for Updates command within the Help drop-down menu launches the Adobe Acrobat DC Updater dialog box, which searches for available updates to the Acrobat software. If your copy of Acrobat is up to date, the dialog box will display the No Updates Available message after the search. If an update to the Acrobat software is available, you will be prompted to install the update.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.